Our approach is quite different from what has traditionally been done within the field of drug discovery in general, but even more specifically in the field of Fragile X, in the sense that what we have seen, and if I focus specifically on the field of Fragile X, we generally see two approaches in the field, which is companies who develop a drug non-specifically for Fragile X and think that there might be some biological reason why it would also work for Fragile X, but they're starting with a drug that has already been developed. The second traditional approach that we see is people doing screenings, so trying every drug that is out there and seeing if one of them work on Fragile X, which is really this repurposing approach. What we're really trying to do using these machine learning techniques is using data from these trials to figure out what biologically drives symptoms of patients and which drug targets can we extract from all of this data that has been generated out there over the many years that there have been research on Fragile X. And can we find drugs, once again, in a computational manner, that selectively modulates these drug targets? So we're trying to do much more from a computational perspective, and we're trying to do it in an agnostic way. So we're not starting from the existing drugs is really like a starting point for us. But we're trying to find something that is really specific to Fragile X to ensure that we have the best possible response in patients.